I swapped out a traditional camp chair for something I genuinely own and love, and that's the Nazhura Zero Gravity Reclining Chairs. They live permanently in my RV. These are fully adjustable, surprisingly very comfortable, and come with pillows and a removable cup holder and side tray. They're key for my morning coffee and book with a sunrise view. Are these necessary for your camping trip? No. Are they elite? Absolutely. Want to check out the stars without breaking your neck? Boom, lean this bad boy back and you're good to glance all evening long. If you've ever sat in one of these, regular camp chairs will never feel the same again.